also had to reconcile.
Northeastern Monroe County in southeastern Michigan. Wayne County in southeastern Michigan until 4:30 p.m. At 3:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Greenfield Village.
Darn it.
Taylor, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour.
Where I go shopping in the market.
60 miles per hour in gusts and heavy side hail. Source, radar indicated.
There it goes.
Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Melville, Greenfield Village, Fort Taylor, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and heavy size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dearborn and Greenfield Village around 3:40 p.m. Detroit around 3:45 p.m. Warren around 3:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Malvern, Brawler, New Boston, Lockwood, Woods, Westwood, Rockland Shore, Rockland Woods, and Woodhaven. 16. A severe thunderstorm warning until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: Michigan, Monroe, and Wayne. Mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Up to 30 miles per hour. Mostly cloudy.
This is the relay from them.
West winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. And now the forecast for the Ann Arbor and Detroit vicinity. Severe thunderstorm watch.
But sometimes I can get it, but then I can't.
7 p.m. this evening. Late this afternoon.
Alright, caught that warning.